আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। আজকে আমরা দেখে নেব কিভাবে একটু অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলের কনভারসেশন করতে হয়।
চলুন তাহলে দেখে নেওয়া যাক কি করে অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলের কনভারসেশন করতে হয়। তার আগে যারা এখনও আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেননি তারা অবশ্যই খুব তাড়াতাড়ি আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন নতুন ভিডিও সবার আগে দেখার জন্য। আর যদি ভিডিওটা দেখে সত্যিই ভালো লাগে, কিছু শিখেছেন মনে হয়, তাহলে অবশ্যই একটা লাইক দিয়ে আমাদের এনকারেজ করবেন। When do you take your breakfast?
I take my breakfast at 8:30 a.m.
What do you take in your breakfast?
I take bread and butter generally, but sometimes I take cornflakes.
When does your mother take her breakfast?
My mother takes her breakfast at 8:30 a.m.
When does your father have his lunch?
My father has his lunch at 2 p.m.
When do you have your dinner?
I have my dinner at 10 p.m.
Do you take health drinks regularly?
Yes, I take health drinks regularly.
Do you take tea?
No, I don't take tea, but I take milk.
Does your father take tea?
Yes, my father takes tea.
When does your father start for office?
My father starts for office at 9 a.m.
When does he come back home?
He comes back home at 8 p.m.
In which company does he work?
He works with TCS.
Do you take fruits every day?
Yes, I take fruits every day.
Which fruits do you have?
I have apple, banana, mango generally, but I take oranges when it is winter.
Okay. Does your mother take fruit juice regularly?
Yes, my mother takes fruit juice regularly.
Do you take fruits in breakfast?
Yes, I take fruits in breakfast.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you take cold drinks?
No, I don't take cold drinks.
Why do you avoid cold drinks?
I avoid cold drinks because it is very harmful for our health.
Are you fond of sweets?
Yes, I'm fond of sweets.
Do you often take sweets?
No, I don't take sweets very often.
How often does your father take sweets?
My father takes sweets rarely.
Do you take salad daily?
No, I don't take salad daily.
Does your uncle come to your house on Sundays?
No, my uncle doesn't come to my house on Sundays. He comes twice a year.
How is he as a person?
He is a very nice and kind person.
Do you play with your friends every day?
Yes, I play with my friends every day.
How are your friends in studies?
Some of my friends are very good at studies and some are not so well.
Who is your mother's best friend?
My mother's best friend is Archana Mukherjee.
Does your mother watch serials?
No, my mother doesn't watch serials, but she devotes most of her time to my studies.
How did you celebrate your last birthday?
I celebrated my last birthday by inviting some of my relatives and enjoying myself.
Did you invite any of your friends?
No, I didn't invite any of my friends because the situation was very bad.
Have you ever gone to zoo?
Yes, I have gone to Alipur Zoo many times.
With whom did you go to Alipur Zoo?
I went with my father to Alipur Zoo.
How long did you spend there?
I spent 4 hours in Alipur Zoo.
What did you order online?
I ordered a book called Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows online.
Who is the author of the book?
The author of the book is J.K. Rowling.
Why didn't you buy the book from a local shop?
I didn't buy the book from a local shop because it was not available.
Why did you return the book?
I returned the book because some of its pages were torn.
How much was the price?
The price of the book was rupees 540.
Who is Mr. Roy?
Mr. Roy is my father's friend.
Where does he live?
He lives in Mumbai.
How often does he come to your place?
He comes once a year in my place.
Who is the boy living opposite to your house?
The boy living opposite to my house is Rajesh Sharma. He is my neighbor.
In which school does he study?
He studies in my school.
Is he a shy boy?
No, he is not at all a shy boy.
How does he look?
He is very fair looking and sweet.
What does his father do?
His father is a doctor.
Why did you invite his family at your place?
I invited his family at my place because it was my birthday.
What did you talk about?
We talked about football on my birthday.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play football.
Which football team do you support?
I support the Argentina football team.